how to fix Samsung A16 keep crashing. So let's start the video. First of all, close all the background apps. For closing all the background apps, then open reset apps and then close all apps. After close all the background app, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time, and then click on restart. After restart the device, then update apps and then check your software updates. Open setting and scroll down and click on device care and then click on software update, and here you can check your software updates. After checking the software update, then click on general management and then click on reset and then click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.